你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Crazy Grammar, the most fun and effective way to learn Chinese grammar. Today, we will learn a negative adverb, may. May, second tone, means not. May. In order to deny that an action has been completed or to state that an event has not occurred, may is prefixed to the verb. The structure is may plus verb. Here's an example. Did you go to Ashley's bridal shower last night? 我没去. I didn't go. She didn't invite me. The sentence 我没去 means I didn't go. Since the bridal shower happened last night, we use may to express a negative in the past. Okay, got it? Let's see some more examples showing how to use may. 我非常喜欢 The Vampire Diaries. Have you seen it? I like The Vampire Diaries very much. Have you seen it? 我没看. I have not seen it. Guess what? I met a guy at the bar last night and we got along really well. Really? Did you give him your phone number? Oh God, 我没给. I didn't give it to him and he didn't ask. Do you know the focal points for the exam that Professor Lee gave us yesterday? 不知道，我昨天没听. I don't know. I wasn't listening yesterday. Wow, it's starting to rain outside. 什么？我今天没带伞. What? I didn't bring an umbrella today. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload the recording and tell me if you've gone on any dates recently. If so, how did it go? Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见. Annie, did you buy the new iPad? 我没买. Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Annie already bought a new iPad. Annie didn't buy a new iPad. Annie doesn't like the new iPad. Please choose the best answer. 小云来了吗？她没来，她病了。Which of the following is true according to the dialogue? 小云来了，小云没来，小云会来。Please choose the best answer.
Did you go to the gym today, Mark? 我没去，今天我很忙。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Mark didn't go to the gym today. Mark had time today, but he didn't go to the gym. Mark doesn't want to go to the gym at all. Please choose the best answer. Mark, did you watch the movie? How is it? 不好意思，我不知道，我没看。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Mark watched the movie. Mark didn't watch the movie. Mark doesn't like the movie at all. Please choose the best answer. Mark, did you go to the party yesterday? 昨天我很累。What would he probably say? 我去。我不去。我没去。Please choose the best answer.